everyone. Our topic for today is about shaving.
Ano, ma'am?
So I will introduce you the equipment of the shaving. So first materials is the washcloth, bath towel.
Pwede na mo rin, sir?
Is the
Puli na ta?
foam shaving cream. The razor, sponge for the purpose of the shaving cream, 2 gloves, basin, and with warm water. So we provide shaving for the comfort of the patient to maintain the well-being of the patient. So now the next step is to introduce you the procedure of iron shaving.
Sir, baka kauna ninyo, sir, oh. Right lang.
Wet the beard and mustache of the patient using warm water in the basin for 5 minutes. Shaving cream. Shave in short, firm strokes in the direction of the hair growth.
One, two, three. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, shining over the river. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, oh mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, a teardrop in my eye. Country road.